We want to provide the best service that we can and education that we can to the students that come here. And that includes our own teaching focus, the materials that we use, and just, us as people.
Welcome to Simply English. This is where we live, in the Island Resort Mall in Siu Sai Wan. If you'd like to pop in and talk to us with any questions or anything, feel free. There are no doors or anything to the centre. We are just right here.
Our centre is very different because Roger and I, we run this as a family business.
Part of the relationship with the students needs to be, something true and real, and this relationship is important for me when I look for teachers.
Hi.
Hello.
I think with our teachers, we're all very professional.
They should be enthusiastic, knowledgeable, of course. They need to be fun and be able to connect with the students.
The attitude of the teachers here is more to be like a very sort of trustworthy and reliable mentor, rather than somebody who's going to sort of get them in trouble or mark them down for getting things wrong. This isn't a school. This is a more comfortable learning environment.
That's one of the main reasons why we opened this place, is that we feel like we have a good kind of idea of what students need. On top of that, both my wife and I are teachers, and so it was kind of like the next logical step to open our own center and help the students kind of build our own culture, I guess, in a way, of what we believe is a good learning environment for students.
For the younger kids, we'll start off either with a game or be quite interactive. For the older kids, we usually try to just ask questions about their week, or they would usually write a journal about what they've been doing. If we have time, we have time for games where they will try to be more active, and then using what we've learned in that lesson to put it towards the game at the end of the class.
I like to bookend my lessons with more fun activities or games. Obviously, we've got Uno here, that's really popular with the kids, and Jenga and Scrabble, those kinds of things as well. And allowing them that time that they wouldn't get in school, allowing them to associate that fun with learning is what's really great about this place.
What we want them to achieve is they would have a better understanding of what they're learning from school. Our next big target is that we would love to expand. Of course, we would like to reach a capacity of about 100 students, and then in the future, if we can get up to 100 students, that would be great.
What I've really enjoyed is getting to know my students, and it's really easy to gain a connection with them because they have such great personalities, and they're here because they really want to improve their skills. This whole job is about finding their strengths and amplifying those, and then also sort of finding their weaknesses and giving them proper friendly advice. We're off to a really great start.
Bye.